Guys, this is Mary with TI, and I would like to share with you the pretty shoes that I wear for work, and they are the DADAWEN Women's Classic Platform, and this is the apricot color. I loved them. In fact, every time I wear my shoes at work, I have always somebody asking me about it because they are so pretty and it's just very, very comfortable. I have to be on my feet the whole day, so I really need comfortable shoes, and these are being very, very good for me. This is a classic platform and I really love them. They're very comfortable, they're pretty, they fit so well, and I just love these pairs of shoes, and these are for work. They definitely work very good for me, and I hope you do like it as well. But this is just my point of view.